Hello, in this video I will show you how you can open safe mode on Redmi 15C. So first of all you have to completely power off your phone by using power button and volume up button. Press it together in the same time and in the power section just swipe up to power off. From now you have to hold the power button to start your Redmi 15C for a couple of seconds. Hold only power button and when a Redmi logo appears, switch your finger to volume down button. Wait a couple of seconds. And now, after 3 seconds, after Redmi logo appears, I'm switching to power down button and hold it again for a couple of seconds. Hold it and don't release your finger from this button. So now, as you can see, my phone is running in the safe mode right now. So basically that's how you can do it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.